Hey guys, the Toys Collector here with this giant Play-Doh surprise egg with Gemma Bottle. Gemma Bottle is a limited edition Shopkin from season 4. This Play-Doh surprise egg is made out of 4 colors: blue, black, white, pink as her tongue. I think Gemma Bottle came out so super cute. What do you guys think? If you guys like how I made Gemma Bottle on this Play-Doh surprise egg, please give this video a big thumbs up. And next to the Play-Doh surprise egg, I have a Shopkins season 4 12 pack, and I'm on a hunt to find a limited edition. So come on a journey with me and let's try to find a limited edition Shopkin. Let's have another look at Gemma Bottle. She's also holding a diamond in her hand, so super cute. One of her eyebrows fell off. And there's Gemma Bottle. She's still looking so super cute. And now the rest of the Play-Doh. In this giant egg. Inside we have a Shopkins Happy Meal Toy, and this one is the number 8. Let's just open it up. And there's the collector's guide. The Happy Meal Toys come with one hidden Shopkin. A Shopkins basket, which is pretty huge. And we got Sneaky Wedge. How cool are these pair of shoes? And this time they're paired together. Wow, how cool, and they're so huge. Let's compare them to the original Shopkin. So super cute, guys. Now let's see what our hidden Shopkin is. Our hidden Shopkin is Teeny. They're super cute blue flats with a pink bow. Very, very cute. Teeny on the collector's guide, and they're in the shoes category. So super cute. So this collector's guide is very different from all the seasons. There's 2 finishes. There's metallic and glitter. And there's 3 rarities. We have common, rare, and ultra rare. Look at the dresses. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Then we have purses. We have a beauty section, shoes. And these are the rare ones. And then we have the ultra rare. So I'm hoping to find the ultra rare ones. The Penelope perfume looks so cute. Next up, I have a Zelf's mushroom pot. And Zelfs are so adorable. The Zelfs come in a mushroom pod like this. This one was a series 1 with a pink top and a green bottom. It also comes with a leaflet. Our Zelf is named Dolly, and she's in the glitter finish. I hope you guys can see the glitter. So cute. Look at her wings. Aww, and her hot pink hair. So soft and so pretty. our next surprise is a Shopkins Season 2 blind basket. Let's see which Shopkins we get. And here are the two Shopkins. We have Toffee Coffee in purple and yellow and orange. So cute. And then we have Heels, which a new addition to my Shopkins Season 2 family. Super cute with that buckle. And she's green. So our Toffee Coffee is a rare and in the pantry category. Our super adorable Heels is a common in the shoes category. So cute. Let's open another Shopkins Season 2 basket because they're so fun. So how I like to open these blind bags is by cutting them from the side. We have Promi in pink and Fifi Flower in green. Fifi Flower is even holding a mini rolling pin. So cute. You can see the detailing of the flower. So cute. And then our Fifi Flower is so pretty with a purple bow. So cute. Okay guys, next up I have Shopkins Confetti Stickers with 100 stickers inside. This will be so cool for our DIY projects coming up pretty soon. Yay! So let me just open these up and I'll be right back. Yay! Time for some stickers. We have a Shopkins logo one. Here we have Toasty Pop, Poppycorn, Molly Mops, Dippy Avocado, Waffle Sue, there's Promi, and there's Promi as a Shopkin. How cool is that? There's so many fun stickers. I'm so excited to use them in my upcoming projects. He's so cute. Here we have another Season 2 Shopkins basket. I had so many Shopkins Season 2 baskets. So here we have two Shopkins blind bags and a Shopkins list collector's guide. Okay, we have Lisa Litter in purple. And you can see there's a banana peel. So cute, but a duplicate. And then we have Cornell Mustard in a light pink color with a blue top. Look at his mustache. So cute. And I didn't have Cornell Mustard in this color. Cornell Mustard is a common in the pantry category. Next up, I have a Shopkins Season 2 5-pack, and 5-packs include 5 Shopkins with a hidden Shopkin inside and 4 visible Shopkins. Our 4 visible Shopkins are Dippy Avocado, Squeaky Clean, Waffle Stew, and Bun Bun Slippers. Let me know if I said those names right. So let's open. And the 5-packs also come with 5 Shopkins shopping bags. So cute. Let's see who our hidden Shopkin is. Oh, it's Sizzle. She's a green and red iron. So cute. Another Season 2 Shopkins blind basket. And we have Ice Cream Dream, which is a super yummy ice cream. And we have Dishy Liquid, which are both duplicates for me. I really need to have a huge Shopkins giveaway. So if you'd like a Shopkins giveaway, give this video a big thumbs up. And last but not least, we have a Shopkins Season 4 12 pack with 10 visible Shopkins and 2 hidden Shopkins inside. So let me just open and I'll be right back. So the 10 visible Shopkins that we have today are Edgar Egg Cup, Cheeky Cherries, Handbag Harriet, Prickles, Jilly Jam, Flushes, Asha Bell. Then we have a Marty Party Hat, we have a Birdhouse, and Crispy Lettuce. So cute. Now let's open up this display case and see the Shopkins. 2 Shopkins. We have Shy Pie Cherry Pie Mini Cherries, so super yummy, but also a duplicate. And then we have an ultra rare, which also matches my nails today. And this is Doggy Bowl. Look how sparkly. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's many more fun videos coming up soon, so please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!